Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter 2, that is linear equation in one variable. I'm going to write the chapter name, that linear equation in one variable. Dear students, in previous class also you have learned this chapter, but the chapter name was different. That was simple equation. And in this class we are going to learn linear equation in one variable. Dear students, few more things we will learn as what you have learned in previous class. Some more descriptions will be there, some that level of question will increase. Okay, so for this, actually for this, what I think, that for calculation part we will discuss at second. First, for word problem, the students were facing word problem. For them, actually I have made that linear equation table, that is linear equation table. Actually that will work for everything, but we, as chapter name is there linear equation, so name is given linear equation table. So the table consists of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, dear students, so means what are the words, means what are the what are those different words which will come for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, and for division. Means from different questions it has been collected here, so that one time or two time a student will see, they will be able to understand, okay, these types of word may come in the word problem question. Okay, so addition, added to, this word may come, added by. Okay, then increased by, then raised by. Okay, these four things. Add up will also come, add up. Sum will also come, sum of, like the question may come sum of two number, likewise. Okay, more than, more than. Okay, so these words may come, dear student. Now in case of subtraction, by this only we will get idea that which type of words may come. That added to, we will write subtracted. Actually here we will use by, subtracted by. Hardly it is coming subtracted to, that is another thing we will. Now increased by, if we see that decreased by, decreased by. Raised by means the subtract, for subtraction, that will be reduced by. Add up, we can write difference, difference of any two number, like that. Okay, more than, less than. Okay, and simply subtract also may come, simply subtract also may come. Okay, one more thing is there which may come, minus, minus may also come. The next thing which we discuss, that is for multiplication. For multiplication, what are those words which may come? Multiplied to, multiplied by. Okay, product of, twice a number, and if variable is x, then that will be 2x, twice of a number. Thrice of a number. In case of thrice of a number, if variable is x, that will be 3x. Okay, so these words may come in this case. Coming to the division part, dear students, in the division we will use divided by. Okay, next will come quotient of. Okay, quotient of. Then it may come ratio. Okay, ratio may also come. Then the next will be half of a number. Next will be half of a number. And if the variable is x, then that will be 1 upon 2x in this case. Then next will be 1/3 of a number. And in this case, dear student, if variable is x, then that will be 1 upon 3x. Dear students, this table is very helpful for you all, for standard 6, for standard 7, for standard 8, even for standard 9 also in few cases, and in standard 10 also. It is very much helpful. So you have to have knowledge of this table to solve the questions related to equation form. Okay, so that you will crack those words and you will be able to form in the form of equation. Okay, so moving forward, dear students, I am going to erase it. You may take a screenshot of this. Okay, I am going to erase this now. Dear student, as we have discussed this table, now we will discuss rules for solving an equation. We will discuss rules for solving an equation, that what types of rules are there by which we will be able to solve the questions. Okay, so here, according to me, I have prepared a list that 6 types of rules are there by which we will solve equation. We will simplify the equation to find the value of the variable, the solution of an equation. Okay, so these includes, I am going to write this rules right side. Okay, addition, subtraction, okay, multiplication, division, cross multiplication. And transposition. Dear students, these all the rules are there by which we will solve the equation, we will find the solution of an equation. Actually, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these rules are nowadays less, these are less in practice. These rules are less in practice. Cross multiplication and transposition, as per requirement, these two things are very much important. We will discuss that. Suppose I am going to take one example. Example 1 I am taking, that we have to find the value of variable for equation 3x minus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, for this. Now dear student, as it is 5 is subtracted to 3x. 5 is subtracted to 3x. So our first step will be what? We will add both sides 5. We will adding 5 both sides. So 3x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5. Okay. Dear students, now you can see these are cancelled and we will get 3x is equal to 14, 9 plus 5. Okay. Now 3 is their left hand side with variable which is multiplied. So we'll go for division. Dividing by 3 both the sides. Okay. So 3x upon 3 is equal to 14 upon 3. 3 will be cancelled here. In the next step we will give x is equal to 14 upon 3 as a answer. So this is the one example where what we have discussed. Addition we have discussed and division we have discussed. These two rules we have discussed. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now other two also we will discuss with in other example. Let me erase this. We have an equation x upon 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. And for this we have to find the value of variable, means value of x we have to find. So you can see with x upon 2 plus 3 is added, means 3 is added. So what we will do in the first step? Subtracting by 3 both the sides. Okay, both the sides. So x upon 3 plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 3. Okay. What will happen? This 3 will be cancelled. In the next step what we will get? X upon 3 is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Okay. Now dear student, you can see that x is divided by 3. So if you multiply by 3, that 3 will be cancelled. So multiplying by 3 both sides. Okay. Dear students, what will happen? X upon 3 into 3 is equal to 2 into 3. These 3 will be cancelled. The value of x we will get 6. Okay. So dear student, you have observed here that which rules we have applied? Subtraction here we have applied and multiplication we have applied. Okay. Now we have cross multiplication, means you check it once how we have solved. Okay. So by this process we have got the value of variable which is x. Now dear students, another type of question may come that you have to check it. You have to verify the value. So what we will do? The same value you will put to the LHS. If it is equal to RHS, means your value is correct. Coming to the next type, we have to discuss actually all 6 rules for solving an equation. So for that, first 4 we have discussed. Dear students. Now we will talk about cross multiplication and transposition. So in the third example third, we will discuss these two. Okay. I am going to take x upon 3 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to sorry, x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon plus 1 upon 5, like this. Now we have to solve by this. Actually I have to explain the rules, so I'm going to focus on this. Dear students, you can find that variables are there left hand side and right hand side also. We will keep variables together. We will keep constant together. So x upon 3 minus x upon 2 will be equal to 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. What I have done? This minus 2 upon 5 I have shifted to right side. This is only called transposition. That when we are going to change the side of a term, the sign will change. When we are going to change the side of a term, the sign will change of that term. So as it is negative, that will go with positive sign. And now x upon 2 also we have shifted to LHS from RHS. So plus x upon 2 becomes minus x upon 2. Okay? Okay, this means now what we will do? We will take LCM of this 3 and 2, that is 6, and that will be 2x minus 3x. 5 we will take, as both the numbers are same, so 1 plus 2. Dear students, what we have got? Minus x upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 5. Now dear student, we are in a position to apply cross multiplication. So denominator of RHS will be multiplied with numerator of LHS, and again I am repeating, denominator of RHS we will multiply with numerator of LHS, and the denominator of LHS we will multiply with numerator of RHS. So minus x into 5 is equal to 6 into 3. In the next step, minus 5x is equal to 18. Dear student, with x minus 5 is there, we will keep it to right side. So x is equal to 18 upon minus 5. Furthermore, x is equal to minus 18 upon 5. So this is the required answer of this question, dear students. Okay, by this cross multiplication and transposition. If you will write process name together what you are solving, that will be more better. What process you are going to apply, that at this process we have applied transposition, you can write right side in bracket. Here we have applied cross multiplication, you can write here in the big bracket. Okay, so by this way we have discussed all the 6 methods in 3 examples. Okay, dear students, I hope that by this theory class you will be able to solve all the questions. Okay, and if there is any difficulties, I will be back with solution of NCERT questions, different exercises. Okay, dear students, thank you. Have a nice day.